Hello everyone, my name is ANKIT BALVANSHI. I am an assistant professor in the SAGE group. I welcome you all on the video lecture on the topic General Design Criteria and Expression for Payments. So, the basic design criteria for the payment design are the application. Under that, we have the load bearing ability. Depending upon the load, heavy, medium, and heavy-duty applications generally refer to the type of vehicular and pedestrian traffic which a pavement must accommodate. Durability. Pavement design must accommodate sustained pavement as well as maintenance methods and natural weathering effects. Safety. Both vehicular and pedestrian pavements are required to be universally accessible and safe, therefore constrained by texture, joinery, slope, drainage, and associated with site finishing. Other factor is the climate. The regional climate factors of daily temperature extremes, precipitation rate and frequency, frost cycles heavily influence the pavement details and finishing. So here we have four basic types. First figure on the top, we can see the hot arid zone. The design for the hot arid zone will be different from the others. The second one is the hot humid conditions of climate. Third one is the temperate zone, and the last one is the cold regions. So design of pavement will be done as per the climate in the regions, and so the different factors which will affect the design criteria. So first one is the subgrade. Well drained or clay subsoil, rooftop gardens or other unique site. Subgrade features play a significant role in determining a structural pavement design strategy. Well drained soils are ideal for construction with regard to permeability and bearing capacity. Clay soils are subjected to swelling, thus have a high potential for lateral shearing. The maintenance. Annual maintenance for pavement typically requires periodic coating, pointing, cleaning and sealing of joints, and repair of broken segments. Resetting of unit pavers and general sweeping to remove accumulated fines and debris. So the cost which generally goes depends upon various conditions. Initial installation cost is a function of material cost, labor, business overhead, and profit, which is required to install the pavement and associated support structure. Every layer and associated operation carries a discrete cost per meter square. Cost therefore may be considered as equal to the sum of each layer installation cost per meter square. On an average, the cost per square meter for bitumen will run between 800 rupees to 1200 Indian rupees for the bitumen, while for the concrete pavement the cost goes around 2500 Indian rupees to 3000 Indian rupees per meter square for basic installation, but it can cost more depending on different finishes and details. There are various other design aspects which are identified by the creative expertise of the designer and are then definitely determined through a collaboration among different design disciplines working towards a common. The structural, functional, and aesthetical design aspects are interdependent and often involve the application of expertise from very difficult design discipline. First one is the structural design. It involves determination of structural composition of pavement. Looks at entire pavement system, full depth of the soil, base material and its resistance to settling and material failure. Factors affecting here can be location, the climate, the soil conditions. The second design aspect is the functional design. Here we determine the arrangement of paved areas with respect to their intended use. It includes highway, roads, street, driveway, parking areas, sidewalk, and so on. Other factors which are considered are safety and accessibility, circulation and traffic, parking and access. The last one is the aesthetical design. It mainly focuses on the appearance of the pavement. It requires knowledge and expertise of design principle and characters as well. So here we have examples of some aesthetically beautiful pavement surface. I hope you understand the design criteria. Stay tuned and keep learning.